The risk of contracting disease due to sourcing unclean water and living in unsanitary conditions is at an all-time high within the isolated Rohingya refugee camps. Many have sustained injuries and wounds from their perilous journeys, which if untreated will lead to infections and avoidable fatalities. Just £100 delivers vital medical aid for the injured, expectant mothers and young children who are currently surviving without adequate healthcare. Help Rohingya refugees now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org. You can download and donate via Al Khair's mobile app for iOS and Android.